everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you can't tell by the title, the picture, the thumbnail, whatever, my jersey, we're doing a football makeup look. And of course, the team that I'm putting makeup on for is none other than Philadelphia Eagles. Oh, the Super Bowl champions. Yes. Yes. Oh, alright, so we're doing a makeup look. I've done like plenty of makeup looks, you know, plenty of Philadelphia Eagles makeup look, but you can never have enough looks when it comes to supporting your team. Alright, so here's the makeup look I have going on right now. It's actually a very wearable look, you know. Obviously, greens are thrown into the eye look, so if you want to know how to get this look, and maybe you can wear it not on a day when you're watching football, going to a football game, just because it is a pretty glammed up look. I like it a lot. So anyways, if you want to know how to get this look, then sit tight, because without further ado, we'll be starting the video like right now. Alright, so before I actually start the video, go ahead and click subscribe down below, join the Kwak fam if you haven't already, and of course tap on that notification bell, that way when I upload a video, my video won't be lost in the black hole of YouTube where bajillions of people are uploading, which is nice. But I do want you to watch my content as well. So if you don't want to miss out on my content, subscribe, join the Kwak fam, hit that notification bell, and yeah, so here we go. So I got my brows done and I put on some primer. As a matter of fact, I actually put on some concealer. So brows and concealer on my eyelids are complete. So now we're doing our eyes. And of course, being that I am an Eagles fan, we're going to do, you know, some Kelly green color, some type of green color, throw in a little bit of glitter, all that good stuff. Alright, so first things first, I want to go ahead and kind of like put a nice base over my eyes. And by base, I mean not the concealer, just like a base shadow. My nose itches. Alright, so I'm going to dive into like different palettes, but you don't have to use the palette that I use. Just, you know, find similar colors in your palette system. So I'm taking the Wet n Wild. This one is in the palette called Not a Basic Peach, and taking this peach shade right here and just place that all over my lid. Now taking that same palette and using like a fluffy brush, as you can see, I'm gonna take this color right here. It's kind of like a red, orangish, burnt color type of color. Pick some of that up, tap off the excess, and place that on my crease slash like eye socket area. So now for the greens, I want to go in and use some like nice dark green color. So I'm taking my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette and taking that color right there. And I'm going to place that, focusing it just on the outer corner. Alright, so here comes my favorite part, of course, the glitter. And before we dive into that little glitter area, we're going to first take this. This is a CC Beauty Professional Cosmetic palette. Alright, so we're going to dive into this and just using our fingers, nothing crazy. I'm going to actually pick up some green. And I'm going to use this. It's a cream consistency, and going to use it kind of like a concealer, if you will, you know, wherever you want our green glitter to go on. So taking this and using your fingers, going to just dab that on the inner corner. So we got our green on, and now time for the glitter. And here is the glitter palette I'll be using. You guys, I've been swatching this and using it a couple of times, and honestly, these are some beautiful, gorgeous shimmer palette, and yeah, kind of obsessed with this right now. They're so pretty. Alright, so let me just show you real quick. So it is the Aurora Lights BH Cosmetics palette, and it comes in 18 color baked eyeshadow palette. Has a nice big mirror, as you can see, and those are the shimmer, like everything in there is honestly shimmer, shimmer, shimmer. So I mean, if you don't like shimmer, then you might not want to buy this, but if you don't like shimmer, then what's wrong with you? No, I'm kidding. Alright, so if you don't like shimmer, you know, whatever, it's not a big deal. But I love shimmer. So, taking this, I'm going to dive into the color. Oh, and the best part about this is that, I mean, it's not like a big deal to me, to be honest, but I mean, it is nice to have the names of the shadows, like, right in front of you. I mean, I don't really open my palette up and tell myself, oh, today I'm gonna use Australia today, unless I'm doing a tutorial. But anyways, speaking of Australia, so that shade right there in the bottom corner where my pinky is, alright, that is the shade we're gonna use, a nice green color. So, just taking our brush, taking Australia, we're gonna pretty much pack that on where we put our green cream eye cream. Green cream eye cream. Try saying that like 3 times fast. Alright. Here we go. Ooh, that's so pretty. Do you guys see that? That is so freaking pretty. I love it. So I do kind of want to blend out this little area right here that's going on, you know, the dark green and the shimmer green. Just little blending action. So I'm going to pick up the color silver right here. Same palette. Well, this color is actually called flashing. So pick up some flashing on like a small brush, alright? And pretty much just place that where they meet. Like not a lot, but just a little bit. It just gives it a nice like gradient effect. Alright, so now with an even smaller brush, pick up this color right there. That is ombre. And I'm going to just place that on the inner corners of my eyes. Placing the ombre on the shadow really changes up the look. So, can you guys see that? Alright, so we're done with the shimmer for now, I believe. So, let's put this away. And diving back into the Morphe palette, the JH Morphe palette, I'm going to pick up the same dark green color. I don't remember the name of these, and I don't know where the name card is, so I'm sorry. But a dark green color. And I want to kind of like bring that dark green we had in the outer corner, kind of bring it towards the inner corner, but just making sure I stay where my, like, you know, my eye socket is. Pick up some of that color and... Obviously, I'm using like a really gentle hand because I'm holding the tip of the brush. So my eyes are pretty much done. I'm going to go ahead and finish my eyeliner, my mascara, lashes, all that good stuff, and then be right back. And just like that, we are complete with the look. Alright, so I did went ahead and added a little bit of gold and some shimmer colors on the bottom. These two colors, these two shadow colors I use are from the BH Cosmetics Aurora Lights palette. Freaking gorgeous palette. First time using it on camera. I have shown you guys, if you follow me on my like social media platforms, you'll know that I do post swatches on my IG stories, IGTV, Snapchat, all that stuff. So follow me there, and yeah, here's the final look. Beautiful. Of course, a little bit of highlight and some blush. For my lips, I use the Lemonade, Dominique Cosmetic Lemonade. This one is in the shade Sweet Tea. So this is what I use on my lips. A nice nude color. And makes your lips look nice and plumped and refreshed and just looks good. And yeah, of course I did my hair, straightened it, which I did like a separate... Why can't I talk today? I think the heat is getting to me. Alright, I did a separate video on that, so maybe you guys can watch it after you watch this. Anyways, alright, so here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and that's pretty much it, guys. Alright, so of course, if you like videos like this, go ahead and click that thumbs up button. Give this video a big thumbs up, a like, and of course, if you haven't already, click subscribe, tap on that bell, and I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Bye!